Stay tuned for your Local on the 8s, brought to you by Novartis.
Where can a healthier heart lead you? For people with heart failure taking Entresto, it may lead to a world of possibilities. Entresto helps people stay alive and out of the hospital. Don't take Entresto if pregnant. It can cause harm or death to an unborn baby. Don't take Entresto with an ACE inhibitor or aliskiren, or if you've had angioedema with an ACE or ARB. The most serious side effects are angioedema, low blood pressure, kidney problems, or high blood potassium. Ask your doctor about Entresto.
A winter storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 24 degrees with snow. Tonight, snow. Snow will be heavy at times this evening. Low, 23. Thursday, windy with morning snow. High, 28. Here's our 7-day outlook.